Welcome to this introduction to the Federal Highway Administration's FHWA InfoMaterials Web Portal. InfoMaterials is a user-friendly centralized gateway to access and visualize FHWA infrastructure research and materials testing data. First launched in January 2020, the InfoMaterials Web Portal is developed and maintained by the Long-Term Infrastructure Performance (LTIP) team within the FHWA Office of Infrastructure Research and Development. One of our goals at FHWA is to advance the understanding of highway infrastructure performance, which is crucial to effectively managing transportation assets. This enhanced understanding will lead to improved design, construction, preservation, and management of those assets. The InfoMaterials homepage provides direct access to datasets containing asphalt and concrete materials characterization data, pavement performance testing and analysis results, and many other types of research data. More data and additional datasets will be added as they become available. The data are supplemented by extensive metadata, descriptions, and references to help users understand the datasets. Features such as maps, graphs, and filtering capabilities are incorporated for improved visualization and navigation within each dataset. The Find Datasets feature allows users to narrow the selection to datasets of interest. Users can apply filters to find datasets corresponding to test methods, material types, study programs, and other criteria. It should be noted that some programs have more than one dataset associated with them. Once a filter has been applied, the yellow ribbon will update the number of datasets out of the total available that match the applied criteria. The user can click on Show Filters to display the applied filter settings. The selected filters can be cleared by clicking on the funnel icon, or modified by clicking on the filter names. After selecting a dataset, the Find Data feature allows users to find relevant data within a specific dataset. This feature is named differently depending on the selected dataset and corresponding unifying element. For example, in the Mobile Concrete Technology Center (MCTC) dataset, this feature is called Find Samples, because all data in this dataset are related to a specific sample ID. Users can apply filters to find data records that correspond to specific criteria within a dataset. For example, users of the MCTC dataset can filter data for samples matching a specific year, state, project, or other criteria. A yellow ribbon will update the number of records out of the total available that match the applied criteria. Users can click on Show Data Filters to display the applied filter settings. The result of filtering the data is then reflected in other features through the web portal. Users can preview and download individual data tables or files from the displayed selection tree. For more complex datasets, a database design diagram is provided to illustrate the relationship among the multiple data tables. In addition to individual downloads, users can also submit a request to export a selection of the tables and files in Microsoft Excel or Access format. Users can check the status of a data extraction request by entering the number provided after submitting the request. Users also have the option to download all dataset tables and files in a compressed file. The Maps feature shows data availability within each dataset on a thematic map by state or by country. Selecting a data attribute will display a heat map highlighting the states or countries based on the amount of data available for the specified attribute. Users can also download all data tables in the dataset for the selected state or country. The Graphs feature provides visualization of the key data elements in different formats such as scatter plots, line charts, and bar charts. The graphs are organized in a collapsible accordion panel, and there is an option to export the graphs' underlying data in Microsoft Excel file format. The References section under each dataset includes a bibliography of relevant publications, including research reports, technical papers, and other documentation that describe the objectives, results, or insights of the study or project that generated the dataset. A list of the test specifications, standards, and guidelines used for data collection is also provided. Any relevant links supporting the study or project are also included. For further queries and feedback, users are welcome to reach out to the FHWA LTIP team using Contact Us on the Help page. In addition, users can also report any issues on the web portal by clicking on the customer support link from any page on the web portal.